This N95 mask machine is packaged and ready to ship from Easley, South Carolina immediately with free shipping. This machine produces 20 to 40 parts per minute depending on your material. Owner financing, lease to own is available. Included in this sale is the 14-station mask assembly machine, enough materials to make 200,000 masks, spare parts worth over $80,000, and the bagging machine that cost over $56,600 brand new. These masks have already been tested to pass N95 regulations. There's over 99% bacteria filtration and 95% particulate filtration. This machine is brand new. It has never been put into full production. And a good thing about this machine is you can start selling these masks as KN95 immediately without certification. This machine also comes with an excellent bagger to individually bag each mask, which is required by NIOSH to pass N95 certification. The bagger was $56,000 alone, and it has also not seen full production. The entire package includes the 14-station mask assembly machine, the bagger, the material, the spare parts, and the free shipping. All of that is available for $150,000. And to help you get started, lease to own options are available. This opportunity won't last long. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.